In this little bonus tutorial, I want to show you how to use the media browser to import video. Depending on what kind of camera you record with, you might end up with files that look like this. This is our footage shot on the Sony FS7 and the F15 and the AS7. So when you import it to your computer, you get this folder structure that looks kind of weird. And you can't tell, even when you dive into this menu under the clips, you can't even see what it looks like because they are these MXF files that your computer might not or naturally be able to open or preview. So in Premiere Pro, we're going to use the media browser, that's a new window, to look and import those files. And this is for the color correcting tutorial that we did earlier, because I wanted to bring in one of the raw full resolution files. So if I go to that folder that is within my external hard drive, let's see what happens when I find that folder of video clips. So it's under my dock, it's under raw footage, it's under A001, and it's, if I just click XD root, not even this clip folder, but just the XD root folder, it opens all of the video clips, and now I can preview which ones I want to import. And then I can right click and import, or I can drag into my actual project. So I'm going to just open up one of these interview clips, and so I can go ahead and show you how to color correct, which you probably have already watched. So I'm going to go back in time and do that. Thanks for watching. That's how you use the media browser to import footage.